What did Brian say? Brian said, the pessimist in him says the bull market will last for 3 days and the bear will return. DraftKings needs to have a bull bear bet, but I'll trade what I am given. That's it, my friend. We can only, we as traders understand, we as successful traders, I should say, understand that we can only swing at the pitches that are thrown at us. But in the meantime, you wait in the batter's box, right? In fact, I believe he says something like that. Listen, Brian, right here on the money. I'm not in the business of I am in the business of responding, not prediction. Like Brian was just saying, right? I'll trade what I'm given. Telling the future is impossible and unnecessary. Trading is a now business. Now, let's talk about another Minervini quote. And that is, even if your fundamental analysis of the company is spot on, to make big money, your analysis of the investor perception also needs to be accurate and timed correctly. So, what does this mean, right? Well, it means that you could be as fundamentally right as possible. You could say that based on X, Y, and Z reason, this stock has to go up. This stock should go up, which is one of my absolute least favorite terms in trading. This stock should do this thing. But if you're the only one who thinks that, right? Investor perception. If you're the only one who thinks that the stock should do this thing, and everybody else is saying either I don't want to own this stock or I'm not participating, it doesn't matter how perfect your fundamental analysis are because it's meaningless. Nobody is going to be buying that stock with you. Now remember, we're not interested in trading sideways markets, right? We want vertical price movements. We want those days where it's not just up, but it's like, wow, how up can this go? That's the kind of trading we're looking for, right? And it doesn't always happen. Clearly, there are times where you get in and you're like, that didn't work out. You get right out. But it makes it a hell of a lot easier when you have the market working for you instead of against you or the market not doing anything. So that's why we've been in cash for so long, is because, the market needs to push everything. A rising tide lifts all ships, but a sinking tide shows who's swimming naked. I love that quote. So let's check back in tomorrow. I believe tomorrow could be an offensive day. Keep in mind our new plan, though. If it is a transition day, which I always let you know in the mornings, if it's going to be an offensive, defensive, or transition day. If it is a transition day from now on Fridays, we're starting the weekend early and we're just not going to meet. Saves us all some time and allows you to get on with your weekend a little bit earlier. But if it is an offensive day, plan on being here tomorrow afternoon and let's make some business, right? I can't say make some money. I mean, if I did, I would be like a total scam ball, and I'm not going to be saying that because there's always a chance of a losing trade. And anybody who says that they guarantee winners is lying to you. So I will see you right back here tomorrow. Otherwise, talk soon.